Hey, hello everybody. So I'll quickly do a demo of Mini GPT Researcher. Mini GPT Researcher is one of my projects that I did here at CurveLogix Private Limited. I will mention the link to my GitHub page as well, and you can get the code for this. Let me quickly do a demo of this. So how this works is, so this is the app. The idea behind building this was to have something which you can quickly use in your desktop. Maybe you want to make a quick research report on whatever topic that you want to search, right? So you have this app which you can run locally, and then you can get your research report, right? So let me show you how it works. So let's say you want to know about the current trends in data science, right? So what you need to do is write a report on data science jobs in recent times, right? So that's my question here. So I wanted to write a detailed report on data science jobs. Now, here are two API keys that you can pass. So one is the OpenAI API key, which you can just type in here, and you can do the save API key, right? And I have already done that, so I don't need to do it again. And also there's something called YouTube API key. This is specifically to get YouTube links for relevant topics related to the question that you want to search, right? Or the report that you want to make. So based on that, there will be relevant YouTube links as well, so that you can type here. And then what you need to do is, after you save the API keys, you just do generate report. And quickly you can see that there's this DuckDuckGo agent is being initialized. So what's happening here is it's actually going to the DuckDuckGo sites, and it's just doing the research on all possible jobs and data science jobs and current trends in data science that it can find in the website, right? So then there's this archive agent, which is also has done its job, and then YouTube agent, right, which will search the YouTube for all possible links or videos related to the topic. And then finally you have this report. You can see this, it's a small screen. Now what we can do is, you can save the report. You just do the save report, right? And then you can save this in your desktop. Let's save this here in a reports.markdown file. So if you save it in markdown file, what will happen is, so you can see save report successfully. Now let's open the markdown file. Yeah, so this is the markdown file. And there you go. So here's the report, the research topic. So comprehensive research report on recent trends in data science jobs, right? So here's an introduction. It's driven by technological advancements and all that. Specialization and skills, salary trends and job satisfaction, technological impact on data science jobs, future outlooks, some insights on job markets from archive, right? So it has collected some report from archive. It's talking something about bidirectional LSTMs are employed to combat fraudulent job postings and things like that. So skill requirements, salary evaluation, and all that, and conclusion. Now, if you go down, you will get all the links, right? So all the links from where it has collected the reports. For example, here it has gone to 365 data science, and it has collected. So let me just go and click on this link. So you can see it goes to 365datascience.com. So it has gone to this website, right? And it has collected all the information from this site, right? And you can see the other posts as well. So MIT Sloan review. So it has gone to some place called MIT Sloan review. Yeah. So 5 key trends in AI and data science. And it has collected report from there. Yeah, so Harvard Business Review. Right, so it has gone to many places and collected reports. And you can also see the YouTube links, right? So future of data science jobs, you can actually click this link and it will take you to YouTube. Right, so this is the YouTube video where...
and I'm seeing that they're still using Excel files.
Right, so it's about future of data science jobs. So that's the title. So it has giving me the links. So you have the links, you have everything else. And this is not it, right? So what I've done is, this is the final report. But actually you can see what the individual agents have done, right? So this is, when you download all the files, you can actually see a reports folder. In reports folder, you have the agents, the individual agents, what they have collected, right? So for example, if you click on Research Archive, it will show you the report or the research done by the archive agent, right? So this is the archive agent that so it has collected a lot of information. And by DuckDuckGo agent, see, it's by DuckDuckGo agent, it has collected a lot of information. And then there's this research YouTube agent, which has collected YouTube links, right? What you see finally as a reports .markdown file is a concise version of all that, right? So it is actually kind of trying to summarize all the reports collected by the individual agents, right? And that's the final report.markdown file that we saw previously. Okay, so again, what's the principle behind Mini GPT Researcher? So let me also show you the working principle, right? So the idea here is that once you have a task, there's a way to generate research questions based on the task, right? So what the LLM will do is it will kind of try to generate many more research questions based on the task given to this whole system. And then what it will do is then it will initialize the agents, right? And then it will go and do its research at various places. And then finally it will collect all of that and then do some summary of that, right? So that's the principle behind this Mini GPT Researcher. So my naming here, Mini GPT Researcher, because it's a mini version of it. So there's also something called GPT Researcher, but this is a mini one, right? Which follows the same principle as what they have there in GPT Researcher, but it's small, concise, right? Of course, we can enhance it and we can make it much more powerful, all that, make a lot of changes, add a lot of agents and things like that. But right now, this is the app. It can really be used for many other reports generation. Right, so I think this is good enough for now. I'll close the session here. I will see you next time. Take care, bye.